Welcome back to Weekend with Reigncane. I'm Brian, host of the show, co-founder of Reigncane, and today we have a fun 3-ingredient cocktail. It's pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get to it. First thing we're going to do is add 1.5 ounces of Reigncane to our shaker. Then we're going to top that off with 3/4 of an ounce of Cointreau. And finally finish it with 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Now we're just going to add our ice and shake it. One of those giant flying mosquitoes. There it is. There it is. It's attracted to my lights. That's a great pour. Happy with that one. Then we're gonna add our garnish, little bird garnish and all. Getting really fancy over here tonight. Cheers to your weekend with Reigncane, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. See you guys next week. That is a good drink. That is good. That thing is big.